Hello and welcome to Unibot X. In this video, we will walk through how to buy and sell with Unibot X. Unibot X leverages advanced DEX and bundling algorithms to optimally route your transactions and to identify the appropriate slippage. Take advantage of MEV protection by leveraging private transactions. These user settings, such as slippage, gas, and using private transactions, are customizable. Once you have searched for the token that you wanted to buy and open the chart, head to the Buy panel. The token address will fill automatically, corresponding to the token you are charting. Enter the amount that you want to buy. You can choose to buy with a private transaction, use auto slippage or set custom slippage, and select from eco, smart, or fast gas modes as per your preferences. Once everything is set, hit buy. Your settings will be saved for your next transaction. A buy notification pop-up presents when your buy is successful, and you can see the token showing in your Tokens tab. To sell the token, go to the Sell tab. Choose the token to sell from the Token List panel. Choose the amount of tokens you want to sell by using the slider. You can choose to sell with a private transaction, use auto slippage or custom, and select from eco, smart, or fast gas modes as per your preferences. Click the Sell button. A sell notification pop-up presents when your sell is successful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon for a new Unibot X tutorial.